Good morning, everyone. Hawk 250 here. I'm getting ready to change out the cable on my Predator 300 from Venom Motorsport. I'm going with a synthetic cable or rope. The reason why is when you take the steel cable and put it on free spool, and of course it gets all jammed up. Just unravels and gets jammed up. So I'm going to take care of it today. And of course you can see I'm trying to get it off now and it's all tangled up. So it's going to take me a while. But yeah, you don't want this to happen while you're out in the middle of woods somewhere or wherever and have to use a winch. You have to fight with this. So one thing with synthetic rope, we'll have to take this off and put something that is designed for the synthetic rope so it don't tear it up. I'll swap that out right now. So I got this removed and get ready to install this one. So I've got that all mounted nice and pretty. Next thing I do is figure out how I'm going to mount my cable in here. I think I have an idea. So the original cable went through this hole with a set screw, which I knew and I can't do that. So what I did is just got this thing still screw, and then use a set screw to hold it in place. So now I need to pinch it all back in. That'll take a little while. Try to keep a load on this while winding. I got the hook put on. Came a nice rubber stop into the hook. This definitely sets on there a lot nicer than the steel cable. You don't have to worry about that thing unraveling and getting jammed. And there we go, done. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can hit up Venom Motorsports if you like one of these Predator 300s. Use my discount code Hawk 250. Get $50 off. I also put a link for the synthetic cable in the my description.